Hello boys and girls, welcome back to the channel.
Sometimes love is a river unstrung.
This guy stands in this corner just about every day for hours. Doesn't have a sign up or anything, he just stands there. I wonder what he's going through. So I want to look into getting this tint replaced. I want to get the two side windows, and also I want to get like a sunshade, a strip that they put across there. I called a couple places today, and they're pretty expensive. What happened to the days when you used to take your vehicle in and they used to charge you like $100 to do the whole freaking car? They want to charge me $369 for the two window and the little strip right in front of the windshield. They call it like a sun visor or sunblock. That seems like a lot of money. I'm going to take this vehicle in physically and let them take a look at it, because I was on the phone with them and maybe I wasn't explaining myself very well. So maybe that might change the price. I don't know, but that seems like it's a little bit steep. The only reason I want to change the tints is because they're getting kind of purplish, so they're looking kind of old. I got to pick up some packages. I have no idea how this is even on here. It's just a beautiful day today. Don't you just wake up some mornings happy to be alive?
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. Yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend.
I don't know about you guys, but I love using this McDonald's app. It gives you points as well as gives you discounts. Like for example, I want to get a frap. This is $2 off a medium, a large McFrap, and they're not cheap, so I'm probably saving about $2 if I get a large one.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, I have a code 3719. Hello. Thank you. Have a great day. I'm sorry, but McDonald's makes the best frap. I tried one at Starbucks, and I just did not like it as much. So when I took the RV in to get repaired, I took everything we had on the outside and I got a storage bin here. And I'm telling you, this is a maze. I didn't know this was indoor, and with the van, it makes it a little bit difficult to come through here to get to our storage. This is like a city inside a building. It took me forever to find my space. So I'm adding a couple of things to the van and I wanted to make some changes. The one thing that I knew that I wanted was an ice maker. This ice maker you can get online for under $100, and we're about to make our very first batch of ice. I think this is really going to be useful, especially when we're on the road. So another thing that I'm adding to the van is Starlink, and I started taking some of the wallpaper off, but I don't think I'm going to leave it there. I think I'm going to put it up top over there. This way it's up higher and we don't hit it while we're sleeping. We've got little baby ice cubes.
Charlie likes it.
Oh, Charlie's got a new treat. Taking Charlie here to the dog park. This is actually a really nice one. Look how big it is. Go get the ball. Come on. Go get the ball. Somebody's a little thirsty. Charlie, you have a good time, buddy? So far so good here in Amarillo, Texas. I haven't really been able to get out much because I've been working a lot. But we're only going to be here for another 2 weeks, and then we're headed off to Colorado. We're going to be staying in La Vita, Colorado. And I'm kind of excited about that because we've been there before and we really like that little town. But that is close to San Luis. And that is where we bought property, and it's been about 2 years since we've been back. But we want to get back there and see if we can grade the land, and also add a carport, some sort of a canopy that we could put the RV under. So I'm super excited about that. I cannot wait to get back to Colorado. I don't really feel like working today. They're gonna bust my ass this week because it's Cinco de Mayo. So since we're Tex-Mex, we're gonna be busy as hell. So I'm gonna work the rest of the week, and I'm gonna cover some shifts because I only have till next week, and then I'm done working here. So I'm gonna get as many hours as I can because I know for the next 2 months after that, I'm probably not going to be able to get a job in La Vita because their town is so small and I don't think there's anything available there. But it would be great if there is. But if I don't get anything, then I'm not going to be doing anything for 2 months. So I might as well knock it out now. I don't really feel like working today. I'm so exhausted. Yesterday I ran around doing a lot of errands, and one of the main things that I had to do was to get underneath the RV and fill in this hole. Camping World, when they put in the cover underneath, they needed to put some foam insulation, and they didn't do it because it was raining. So I had to do that yesterday. And I got this cheap spray foam, and I think that it wasn't that great because it looks like a mess. When I sprayed it on there, it just started leaking and pouring down. I thought it was just gonna foam up and then just tighten up when I sprayed it. But it didn't do that. It was just very sticky and watery, and yeah, it just looks like shit. Yes, it's 2 o'clock and I'm off. Check it out, guys. It is beautiful out. I made it through the day. Man, it feels so good to be off. That's what I like working like an early shift, 7 to 2, so I still have the rest of the day. I don't know if you guys have tried Chuy's before or if there's one close to you, but this is my first time trying it, and working here, I get all the free food, so I got a variety of stuff, and man, I'm gonna tell you, all their food is delicious and all their sauces are fantastic. So I'm trying to get some mechanical stuff done to the van before we head out to Colorado. It's a lot more accessible to do it in Amarillo. I'm trying to get some brake pads as well as a new tie rod end.
One thing here, and my heart is in the right place. It changes my attitude, and I feel like this station has just inspired me. It's inspired my husband, and it just keeps.
It's laundry day. Let's get it. High prices are just killing everybody. This van has a small leak, and for a while it's been leaking oil just a little bit at a time, but it's accumulated back here, so I just went ahead and spray some degreaser on it, and hopefully I can wash some of it off. Yeah, that looks a lot better. I got the tint done. They did a really nice job. This is the strip that they put here on the windshield, and they actually did it on the inside, not the outside. I remember when I used to take a car in to do that, they would do the strip on the outside, so I was a little confused, but it looks so much nicer this way. The window looks so clear now. This is a ceramic tint. It costs a little bit more, but it reflects the heat a lot better. So it's really interesting the way they do tints now. They take the year and model of your vehicle and they put that into the system, and the computer cuts an outline of your window. Then all you have to do is run that blade on the outline and put the tint on. I love it. It definitely gives it a newer look. I gotta tell you, JG Tint here in Amarillo did me right. After looking at it, they only charged me $259 to do the whole thing. I would definitely recommend them. Their customer service was top notch. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.